Hey guys, how to download Code of War on PC or laptop? Want to play Code of War on your PC but don't know how to download it? Most players think it's only for mobile, but there's an easy way to play it on a computer too. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and play Code of War on PC without any confusion. Stay tuned. Now open Google Chrome in your laptop and search Steam. Link in description and open the Steam website. And then click the top Install Steam. And again click the Install Steam. And that's of your download and will start it. Please wait. After the download is complete, go to the download folder on your laptop. Install this Steam from here. Double-click and install Steam from here. I have already installed in my laptop. After Steam is installed, open it and create an account. Then search for Code of War. And click on Code of War and scroll down and click on Add to Library below and click OK from here. Once the game is added to the library, click on the library above and find the Code of War game here. Click on it. And click on Install and click on Install again and accept. From here your game installation will start. Please wait. And that's it. Now you know how to download and play Code of War on your PC smoothly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more PC gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.